You can either go into the Moodle plugins directory or click on Choose a File and select the file from your Downloads folder. Once you've downloaded the zip file and uploaded it in your Moodle site, when you click on Install Plugin from the zip file, you should get the message that you've successfully installed the plugin. Once this has been completed, you go Continue. At the very bottom of this page, just go to Upgrade Moodle Database now. You should always see the success green bar once you've installed the plugin. Once this is completed, under the Site Administration, go to Plugins, go to Authentication and Manage Authentication. In some cases, the WiseNet Moodle connector will be hidden. In that case, just click on the eye icon to show the plugin. Once you've enabled the WiseNet Moodle Connector Authentication plugin, click on Settings. The settings page is very important. The WiseNet Moodle Connector URL is specific to your own organization. The URL has to be https:// your own unique 3-letter code -api.wisenet.co. If you have the old website, please change that to the wisenet.co. You will get this information in an email from us when we send you the connector files. The 3-letter code is usually in the email that we send to you, but if you're unable to find that, you can also go into your WiseNet LRM, click on your learners and look at the ref internal number. The first 3 alphabets of your ref internal number is your unique ticker code. So in WiseNet, you need to use the same ticker code in front of your API. Ensure it's all put in lowercase. Now, we'll set up the rest of the things. The records per call has to be set to 1,000. The reset last runtime is just set to do not reset for now. You can leave it the same. Once the plugin starts working every 10 minutes, it'll automatically update the last runtime. The hide passwords are set to yes. Now, the username and password has to be exactly what you created when you received the WiseNet invitation. So if you've named the username as Moodle Connector, then please put in the same in here and put in your saved password. You can unmask this password at any point in time to see if you've entered the correct password. The password change URL is nothing but your forgot password link of your learner app. Next, let's talk about the user account synchronization. The remove external user is by default put to suspend internal, which means when the student's learner app access and the e-learning access has been set to false in WiseNet, it automatically suspends the user in Moodle. But for some reason, if you want to keep them active in Moodle, you can choose to keep internal, or if you want to completely delete them from Moodle, you can go full delete. We do not recommend completely deleting the record because this would mean that it deletes everything the student has completed from their course to the assignments and grades. The email address for error alerts has to be given to your IT. Then let's talk about data mapping. The data mapping field has to exactly match what is in WiseNet. To make it easier, we would be sending you an article link which will have all these details for you. All you need to do is copy and paste the correct value for the data mapping. Once you've completed the data mapping fields, at the very bottom, click Save Changes. Now you've completed installing the Authentication plugin.